The following program contains dangerous stunts performed by professionals. Do not attempt to recreate or imitate any action seen in this program.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy S1K Rafa, and look at this gorgeous expensive lineup we got going on today. We got a few homies out here. We're about to go meet up with Mess. There's a little ride going on, but we're gonna meet him at the meter spot of the ride because that's closer to his side of town. But anyway, we got today we're on the beautiful M1000RR. We got the homie Jorge, People's Champ Denzel on the red S1K.
I think we need gas.
Okay. Well, yeah, that's like, how far is it? Like 8 miles?
8 miles?
Hey, we can pump gas there. Yeah. We got the homie Alex from all the way from Houston, Texas, infamous Alex. If you guys don't follow him, we got Mute with his beautiful build on the Ducati that he actually had an accident on his bike, but you can't even tell. And we got the homie out here from Dallas, and Alex brought a homie out from Houston. But we're gonna head out to the gas station and meet up with Mess out there. We're gonna be careful. We're gonna have some fun. And my bike's still quiet because of no exhaust. But with that being said, guys, let's get right on to business. Damn, the seat is hot, brother. The seat is hot. I hope my GoPro settings are good. Been slacking a lot on the YouTube, guys. Apologize on that. But as always, you guys show some love whenever I post, so that honestly means a lot. All of my videos have not been getting monetized on YouTube, but honestly, at this point, I'm just gonna give up. I'm gonna build a strong audience with you guys, just kind of keep the grind going, keep posting here and there. I don't really care anymore to make a penny out of YouTube. And what I think I'll do is eventually I'll just probably start a new channel and start fresh, because I really think just my channel's kind of flagged already. So, man, look at Alex with the ZX10, brother. Last time you guys saw that bike, it was when I was out there in Houston. I think it's gorgeous. It's a beautiful day out here in Dallas, Texas today, guys, with the sun out, no clouds, no gear, squid knife, you know what I'm saying? That Ducati came out gorgeous, brother. That color is just insane. Look at that. Damn. Whoa, that was kind of felt like my shoulder almost touched that truck box truck or whatever. I'm gonna need some gas as soon as we pull up. I need me some gas, bro. I'm gonna need me some gas. Let's get a little bit of gas. Are we live? Yeah, we live.
There's some badass bikes.
Appreciate it, bro. All right, let's check out Papa Mess over here. What's going on? What? You lost the screw or what?
No, like, no, I guess I bent it. I didn't realize it. I bent it. See, it's going in.
Oh.
I'm trying to downshift. I was hitting the actual module, and it wasn't letting me downshift.
Oh, it's bent, no, from down here.
Yeah, see, it's bent.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna head out to the actual meter spot. From there, I think the ride is gonna be all the way to the cottage, which is probably like a 20-mile ride. Which ain't too bad. Those little fender add-ons or whatever the M originally calls with them, but homie added to his S, and honestly I dig that. He's got him on that one too. Damn, Papa looks all murdered out. Holy shit. Brother, bike looking good though. I like how the bike looks, bro. He's over here talking because I'm on the end, bro. He's got like 10 bikes. just sitting there, bro. The one thing I just don't like about the Ducati is the way that exhaust sounds. I feel like if you got a better exhaust on it, it will make up for the looks of the bike. Because it sounds kind of weak. Alright, boys and girls, we're here. We are here, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God, dude, look at this parking lot, brother. Look at all this crap. What's up, bro?
¿Cómo estás, papá?
Bien, bien. Oh, damn, that's Spanish. God damn, you're getting fluent on me now. Relax. Well, hey, that English, yes, sir, I sure do. Mexicano, but I can speak English. Man.
This makes me happy.
Wait.
That you got the bike.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I haven't even shot the M yet, dude.
Some sturdy hands there. What's up, bro? You look so good without a beard. Well, you look so good without a beard, bro. Holy good to see you, man.
All off yesterday.
Oh, yeah? Alright. So what's up to a couple people, guys, and then we'll just check in here in a bit. Alright, it's quite an amount of bikes, bro. It's at least, what, 40? 50? Hey, 50.
Bring your bikes to the front.
Oh, they told us to come walking.
Oh, shit.
I just want everybody to bring their bikes because there would have been fucking like 50 bikes over here.
No, I wanted them to bring their bikes to the front because they're going to be in the front.
Yeah.
We'll let you go and get them first before we finish.
Yeah.
Oh, he wants our bikes over here, so he's gonna say to follow
I
us.
just want to put my bike over there.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, let's go get it.
Yeah, don't worry about the
Okay.
free whatever ride speech, bro. We're just going to tell everyone not to do anything stupid. That's
Okay.
it.
Okay.
You want us to bring our bikes over here?
Yeah.
All right, bet.
Park behind you right there.
Hey, look, my uncle. Bro, we haven't even. He already checking on us. Look at this guy. All right, so we got the homie out here. He's the one hosting the ride, DFW Ghost Rider, and he's the one that gathered up all these homies out here. You know, you got at least. Yeah, I know, right? So, yeah, I haven't already. Go check out his channel and Instagram. It's my first time meeting him, so you know we're trying to just say what's up to him. He's a cool cat, so he got that drone out here and everything, man. Look at this guy, 3 camera cars and whatnot. I feel like we're about to sign autographs out here. The more I ride, the more BMWs I see out on the street. It's crazy. Some of them are clean, some of them are dirty. I just know that for sure. They're the new Gixxer, without a doubt. Just a little classy, expensive Gixxer, bro. It's gonna be it's a lot of new riders. So come on, guys, don't miss the exit. Come on. Come on, fellas. Come on, fellas. God, bro. Oh my God, that guy almost took him out. What? I know you guys saw that. I know you guys saw that, but it was at least this close. I mean, he didn't touch him, but still, you know. I want to come on here and let you guys know that life's not always going to be perfect. It's not always going to be what you expect it to be. I want to say that things can take a left turn when you least expect it. It's not always dealing with wrecking or crashing or losing a job or a family member. There's 1,000 scenarios that could happen that can make your life take a left turn. And today I want to say that you know, I'm kind of getting goosebumps, but today I want to just say that whether life seems like it's going all right for you, or it seems like you're kind of just not cutting it or not making it or whatever you want to call it, just keep pushing, man. It's gonna get better. Just because you're smiling on the outside doesn't mean that everything's good on the inside, and I kind of want to let you guys know that the least person you expected is there for you. You know, it's just a matter of you reaching out, or you reaching out to that person, just to kind of just ask them how the day is going. You know, it's as easy as that. So try to always be nice to others. Don't be a dickhead, and just kind of, you never know what life's gonna bring you. You know, to let you guys know that, and you know, every single person that's watching behind that screen, I want to say that I appreciate all you do. Even a like is good for me, so love you guys for that. And I love this. I love riding with everybody. Alright guys, we're about to pull up to the MOTO spot where the ride is gonna end, and that's probably where I'll just end the vlog there. If you watched the video this far, appreciate you guys. Thanks for tuning in again, and for showing some love. You know, even though it takes me a while with the videos to drop, but oh man, there's a lot going on. But until the next one, guys, I'll probably just record here a little bit when we pull up, and then that's it. But till the next one, guys, love you guys. Peace.
Y'all killed it, bro.
Good little ride, bro. Good shit.
It was good, right?
Yeah, it was good. It was good. Good amount of people, you know.
What, you getting sick?
Huh?
You getting sick?
Little allergies, bro. And nothing new with men, you know.
Yeah.
Allergies.